Welcome to Canada Kitchen's assembly video series. In this video, we will assemble a wall blind corner cabinet. Recommended tools include wood glue, drill, nailer, and rubber mallet. Open the A and B boxes for your cabinet. The A box will include the front-facing parts of the cabinet, the doors, drawer fronts, and face frame, while the B box will contain the cabinet box panels, drawer boxes, shelves, and hardware. Step 1. Insert side panels into the face frame. Line up the dovetail edge of the side panel with the groove at the back of the face frame and slide the panel into the groove until the edges are flush. The grooves on the side panel should be on the inside of the cabinet. Step 2. Insert the top and bottom panels. Place wood glue into the grooves at the back of the face frame. Line up the sides of the panel with the grooves on the inside of the side panels and slide towards the face frame. Repeat for the other panel. Step 3. Attach back panel. Slightly open the side panels at the back of the cabinet. Position the back panel's grooves on the top and bottom panels. Push the side panels back into place, inserting the side tabs into the groove. Nail the side panel to the back panel, placing nails 6 to 8 inches apart. Repeat for the other side. Step 4. Install brackets and secure the back panel. Install the 90-degree flat bracket to secure the face frame to the bottom panel. Remember to pre-drill a small hole when placing screws into the face frame. Next, install 90-degree brackets into the corners to secure the face frames to the side panels. Repeat these steps for the top panel. Now secure the back panel to the cabinet with 35mm black flathead screws. Step 5. Installing door hinges. Please note, cabinets are typically positioned and secured before attaching the hinges, doors, and handles. This makes the cabinet lighter and easier to handle during installation. Attach the hinges using 1 screw per hinge into the holes provided on the inside of the face frame. Close the hinge and repeat for all hinges. Step 6. Attach the doors. Place the doors onto the hinges by inserting the hinges into the round slots inside the door. Slowly open the door place one screw in the top and bottom hinges to hold the door. Then, place one more screw into each hinge to secure the door. Place rubber bumpers on the inside of the doors at the top and bottom corners. And that's it! Your cabinet is now complete. Visit our website or YouTube page for more cabinet assembly videos.